may not be packing out stadiums just yet, but in the world of social media, Steph Strings is a superstar. So, Steph, I'm about to give you a brand new guitar from Signet. It's custom made, it's one of a kind, air guitar.
Air guitar?
That's right. Signet is giving you the air guitar of your dreams.
Gotta start reading my emails properly. So at Signet, they sell guitars and they sell air guitars as well?
No. They're a packaging company. So it all makes perfect sense. Like, if you think about it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Over 115,356 followers on TikTok, hey, Steph?
Yep.
Well, aren't you worried, though, about having 115,536 followers who only know the first few seconds of your songs? You could say, Steph, that with the numbers that you're doing on social media, that you're an influencer.
Oh, I wouldn't say that.
Well, I don't know what your song's about. You know, NFT schemes, new brands of seltzer, that type of thing.
Says the guy who's making videos for a packaging company.
It is time. It's time. Steph Strings, as reward for your services to music, on behalf of our packaging overlord Signet, I present you with your dream air guitar. Oh, that is cute. Some sort of kid's guitar, I suppose.
This is a ukulele.
Steph?
Shh. I'm tuning the ukulele with my mind.
Do you think you can shred on that little thing, Steph Strings?
Why? Do you want to duel with me?
Bring it.
Signet, proud packaging supplier of Steph Strings air guitar.
No air guitars were damaged whilst in Signet packaging.